Hi, as you all know, the festivals are around the corner, and I'm going to create a look with the Mars High Coverage Foundation. It gives me full coverage with dewiness. You can notice this. After uplifted my eyebrows, I packed my foundation with the help of loose powder, and this is time to create eye look. So I just applied eyeshadow with the matching glitter, and I picked up this glitter from the Mars glitter palette. It is very reasonable and affordable palette, and it gives a premium look. And now this is time for kajal. After applying kajal, it gives an enhanced look to my eyes. And after applying lipstick, and this is my final look. If you have any doubt, any query, you can ask in the comment box. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.